This is the Vako double pocket ripple header tape, and I'm sewing it onto the top of an unlined drapery panel sample, and I will machine sew on the top edge and the bottom edge and on the ends. The pocket tape has spacing marked on the tape, so you can plan a ripple to a certain repeat. And these are the adjustable drapery pin hooks that can be used with this double pocket tape. And you can see I'm easily sliding into the bottom pocket and then into the top pocket. And I'm using an awl to help lift that tape, because it's very snug, to slide the pin in place or the hook in place. So I'm using the awl to lift up the pocket and then sliding the adjustable hook right in place. Now I need to adjust the hook so that it's the right distance from the top of the drapery. So with this style hook, you can just make a click and go down into the position that you want. So I'm making 2 clicks down to get the hook in the correct place. So now on the rest, I will just go down 2 clicks and set all the pins the same distance. Now if you slip and go too far, it's okay. Just take the hook off the bottom and reload it onto the top. And then I'm going to position the hook down to where it needs to be. So these are really easy to adjust on site. And now it's ready to go into the carriers on the drapery rod. And they hook in just like any other drapery pin hook. And there's how that ripple tape looks and how it operates on the pole. So it's a very simple flat panel.